All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're talking about something that is seriously going to change the way we all work, especially right here in Pakistan. We're talking about autonomous AI agents. Think of it as your new secret weapon for getting things done. I mean, just listen to this. Imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps and can complete tasks for you automatically. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is a real technology that's here today, and believe me, it is changing the game. Sounds pretty incredible, doesn't it? So the big question is, what in the world are these assistants? And maybe more importantly, how can you, right now, use them to work smarter and really get ahead as we look towards 2026? Okay, so let's get into it. First things first, we're going to break down what these AI agents actually are and why they are absolutely your new edge, your new advantage. So, what is an AI agent? Well, it's a completely new kind of artificial intelligence. And the key word here, the most important word, is autonomously. It's built to plan things out, make its own decisions, and then carry out a whole bunch of steps to reach a goal that you set for it. And this is where it gets really interesting. See, you're probably used to regular AI, right? You give it one command, it gives you one answer. An AI agent, that's a whole different ballgame. You give it a big final goal, say, create a full report on Pakistani market trends, and it figures out the whole project by itself. The research, the analysis, the writing, it literally plans, decides, and executes from start to finish. And this isn't just for some giant tech company. No way. This technology is a massive game changer for so many people. It doesn't matter if you're a student in Lahore, a freelancer in Karachi, or you're running a small business. Learning to use these AI agents is going to give you a serious advantage. So how do these things actually work their magic? Well, the process is actually beautifully simple. It all boils down to just 3 steps: goal, plan, and execute. It all starts with you. Step 1, you set a clear goal. Then the magic happens. The AI agent takes your goal, and all by itself, it breaks it down into a list of smaller bite-sized tasks. It creates the entire plan. And then, finally, it just starts checking those tasks off the list one by one. And that execute part is where it gets really powerful. The agent doesn't just think, it does. It can actually use other tools and connect to different software, using these things called APIs, which are basically just a way for programs to talk to each other to get the job done. And all the while, it keeps you updated on its progress. Okay, enough theory. Let's talk about putting these agents to work in the real world. How can you actually use this stuff today? Let's look at the tools you can use and the benefits you can get. So what's out there for you to try? Well, there are a few platforms you can check out right now. You've got AutoGPT, which is a real powerhouse for those complex multi-step jobs. There's Agent GPT, which is fantastic for connecting AI to real-world apps. And hey, if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, you can even build your own custom agents using tools like Google Gemini or AI Studio. So how would you actually apply this? Well, if you're a student, this is a total game changer. Just imagine telling an agent, hey, research this topic for my final paper. It can go find the sources, summarize the key arguments, and even put together a bibliography. I mean, think about it. That's hours, maybe even dozens of hours of manual work just gone, done automatically. And for business owners, you can think even bigger. You could have an agent generate an entire quarterly sales report. It could pull the data from your sales software, your website analytics, and your spreadsheets, then create the charts and write up the summary. That's a really high-level task, just completely automated. And if you're a freelancer, oh man, this is a dream come true. You can automate all those boring, repetitive tasks, sending follow-up emails, organizing client folders, that kind of stuff. And that frees you up to focus on the creative work, the stuff that actually makes you money. This chart really sums up the why. I mean, at the end of the day, AI agents save you a ton of time. They boost your efficiency because they're fast and accurate. They let you scale up what you do without hiring more people. And the best part, this stuff works for everyone. It's all about letting the machine handle the boring stuff so you can focus on what really matters. Okay, so by now you're probably convinced. You can see the potential. So now what? Well, now it's your turn to get started. This last section is your quick start guide to automating your very first task. And getting started is way simpler than you might think. First, just pick one of those platforms we talked about. Second, give it a really clear, specific goal. Third, just let it do its thing. Let it plan and execute. Fourth, and this one is super important, you've got to monitor the results. And finally, as you get more comfortable, you can start giving it bigger and more complex tasks. It's a gradual thing. You're building trust with the tool. Now, here's a really crucial piece of advice. These agents are incredibly powerful, but they are not mind readers. If you give them vague goals, you're going to get messy results. You have to be specific. Tell it exactly what you want. And always, always keep an eye on what it's doing to make sure it's on the right track. Human supervision is still the key. And look, if you take away only one thing from all of this, let it be this. AI agents don't just answer questions, they take action. That is the fundamental shift right there. We are moving away from a passive AI that just gives you information to an active AI that actually gets things done for you. So that brings us to the final, and I think the most important question. And I want you to really think about this for yourself. When you look at your daily work or your studies or your business, what is the one repetitive task that you are going to automate first? The power to do it is now in your hands.